questions. Your exam 50, that one is different. Don't think about that. This is your revision. So today is our revision class 1, but it's okay. Try to do these questions, but don't finish do all the questions, because later, since you are going to sit for your exam next week, I won't upload many worksheets after this, only for this week and next week lah. After the exam, as usual, we will continue, because you have your books to do every day, correct? So this is only one worksheet. So for today, I have uploaded this worksheet, but we have 28 pages for these questions, content of 90 questions. But don't have to do finish everything for one day lah, because teacher have assigned this work for 1 week until Friday. You have time until Friday. One day 15 to 20 questions also is accepted. Understand or not? Understand or not?
Yes,
Okay.
teacher.
Yes. But extra 2 worksheets I will upload later on. Okay, after my class finish later at 12 o'clock. Okay. So can you all see the sample of exam papers? I'm showing you all the 90 questions. But your exam, we will have only 50 questions. These are the sample questions. Can you all see? Can see or not?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so you have to, okay, let's say now question number 16. You have to write on a piece of paper how to show the working. So means teacher said, who sent me the message? Okay. Let's say the question, answers are here already, but you have to show the working. 180 degree minus 60 degree minus 40 degree, your answer should be 80 degree, correct? So you can show the working until you get the correct answer, then you can click the correct answer during during your exam, or else you click the answer and then you later on you do the working also can, but make sure all the working must be come back to me. Remember that working is very important. No working, even though your answers are correct, I won't take the mark. Okay. Shall we start from question number 1? Revision questions, midterm examination. Okay. Some of the questions are very general. Yes, one more thing. Have you all seen the Edmodo yesterday? Have you all seen the Edmodo yesterday? Class? Have you all seen the Edmodo yesterday? Yes, why? Yesterday I have uploaded here. We're going to have revision classes for our midterm examination starting from tomorrow, 14 means today. What are the topics that we're going to cover is very important. Since we have started from 505, which is decimals, average, and decimals, word problems, average word problems, and then 506 is triangles and four-sided figures. Remember, you have to find the area of triangle and then the unknown angles on. 507 is ratio and percentage. Please ignore the percentage because we haven't touched the topic percentage yet. Our exam is only until this. Can see? Can see or not?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, please ignore the percentage. Do focus on decimals, average and word problems, triangles and four-sided figures, and then the ratio. Understand? Percentage no need. After our midterm examination, we will, after you finish all your exam, we will continue from the percentage and then 508, 9 and so far so on. Understand? So these topics, why I need to write here, because it's our major topic for 507. Of course, I have to write the full topic. But for your exam,
Excuse
we
me,
only
teacher.
cover. Yes, Fiona.
The revision class 1 want to do, is it?
Yes, this is the worksheet that I'm opening here. Yeah, we're going to discuss now, but teacher say revision questions, our grade 5 one, we have 90 questions. You don't have to do all the 90 questions today because your due date is until 18, coming Friday, 5 o'clock. Can you see here? So please do slowly and submit to me on Friday because we're going to discuss the answers. We will continue. We will start from the questions we stopped today. Okay, class. And then one more important thing is after the revision class, I will upload maybe 1 or 2 worksheets enough lah for you all to do the revision, because you all need time to do the revision also, correct? You all have your books also to do your classwork every day, correct or not? So worksheet, maybe I will give 1 or 2 worksheets lah. I will give 2 worksheets after every classes. Can? But regarding on this topic only, not out of this topic. Decimals, triangles and ratios. Only regarding these topics. I will mix up. Okay. Now, shall we start? Question number 1. How many elements are there in a triangle? Who can tell to teacher?
E.
Again?
3.
Boy. 6.
No, 3.
3.
3.
3. Who
Yes.
said 3?
Me.
Asher.
Who else said 3? Okay. Why teacher put D is none of this? None of this means all the answers are wrong. So no any answer are here. That's why I put D here. If you think no answers are all the answers are wrong here, you can choose D also. Understand? Don't get confused with none of this means no any answers are correct. Understand? But how many elements? Element means how many sides we have for triangle class?
3.
Okay, elements means what are the characteristics or properties we can find in triangle? We have 3 sided and then we have 3 vertex, correct? So how many elements are all together?
3.
Understand? We have 6. Okay, let's say if the question asks how many vertex does the triangle have, means you can select what? How many vertex? Class, how many vertex triangle have? Do you all know what is the shape of triangle? How many vertex?
3.
Yes. Understand or not? Very
Sure.
important, class. If the question is asked about the elements of a triangle, you have to choose 6 because triangles we have elements means what are the characteristics or properties we can find in triangles. We can say triangle have 3 vertex and then we can say triangle have 3 sided. Understand or not? Or else you can say triangle have 3 angles and 3 vertex. So total we have 6 elements for a triangle. If the question asks how many vertex we have for the triangle, mean we only have 6 vertex. Understand or not, class? Understand?
I understand.
Okay, so don't get confused. If If, teacher said if these kind of questions come out, don't get confused. What does mean by elements and what does mean by vertex? Understand or not, class? Oi, understand or not?
Teacher.
Okay. Yes, very good. Okay. This is a BODMAS questions. Even though it's from our previous topic, but what I'm going to ask is, what part of the expression below should be calculated first? We have 8 plus bracket 22 multiply, open the bracket 15 plus again open the bracket 14 multiply 2, close the brackets, close one more brackets and then close the biggest one. So which one you need to start from first? Either 8 plus 22 or 22 multiply 15 or 14 multiply 2 or 15 plus 14.
14 multiply 2.
Next one.
Very good.
14 times
You have to
14 times 2 must start at 14 times 2.
very good. You all have to start from, sorry, my circle is very terrible. Okay, so which one you need to start first? Correct, because teacher said you have to start from the brackets. I know even though we have 3 brackets are here, but you have to find from the smallest expression first. Even though this is a bracket 2, but we have 15 plus 14 times 2. So we have to start from the smallest equation first. Understand or not, class?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, now this one is a four-sided figures topic. Teacher mixed up all the questions. Don't think that don't think we have 50 questions. First 20 questions all about the decimal, average and word problems, and then another 10 questions is about triangle, and then another 20 questions is about ratio. No, I mixed up all the topics, class, so don't get confused. This one is about the four-sided figures, rectangles, the squares, how to find the area and perimeter all. Okay, you have to use the rectangle below to answer the questions. What is the area of the rectangle? So when the time you show the working on the paper, please write there question number 4, right? And then show me the formula. What is the formula for area?
Finish it today.
What is the area for, formula for the area of rectangle, class? Class?
Perimeter times length times width.
Length times width. Very good. That is the formula. So write the formula on the paper. Area is equals to length times width, and then you can multiply 17 multiply 5, you will get the answer. What is your answer, class, for question number 4?
No, this is just D.
What is your answer?
D.
Donkey. Very good. 17 multiply 5 is equals to 85. Wait. Okay. Understand? Very good. Understand or not, class? This is a way to answer the questions. But I don't know whether you are using a calculator or not, because I'm not sitting with you all that. Understand or not? Even though your answer is correct, but the working you are showing on the paper, right? That one is very important to me. For me. Then only I will take your marks. Understand or not, class? So you have to write on the paper there, like question number 4. Area is equals to length times width. Then 7 multiply 15 is equals to 85. So that you can know your answer is tally with your working. Don't simply show the working. I can see the answers, whether you got the correct answer or not. Make sure your answer is tally with your working. Understand or not? Okay, so question number 5 is very easy. If two sides of a triangle are not equal, the triangle is called what?
Isosceles.
Isosceles. Isosceles, man. Class, think again. This one is about the triangle topic. If two sides of a triangle are not equal,
Scalene.
the triangle is called what? Scalene triangle is how many unequal sides?
2.
Oi.
Also is right angle.
For scalene scalene triangle, we have 3 unequal sides, correct? 3 sides are not equal one. Read the question, think and give the answer.
Isosceles.
Huh? Isosceles lah. Why? You know? Because isosceles triangle, we have one unequal side with the we have 2 equal sides with 1 unequal sides. Okay. Correct or not, class? Isosceles triangle, teacher said we will have 2 equal sides, correct? And then 1 is unequal side. This is isosceles triangle, correct or not? So if the question asks, we have 2 sides of a triangle are not equal, correct lah? 2 sides, 1 and 2, these both sides are not equal one. If they say 3 sides of triangle are not equal, we can choose scalene. Since the question asks 2 sides of triangle are not equal, the answer is isosceles. Understand or not? Understand or not?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, don't get confused. These all are the sample questions of your exam. Okay, the division, yes. Decimals topic. Question number 6. Teacher have taught before for the division class and also the multiplication of decimals. What we need to do, class? If multiply, we have to move the decimal places to the right or to the left.
Left.
Hello, multiplication.
Right.
Yes, if you want to do the multiplication of decimals, multiply 10, you have to move 1 decimal place to your right. Multiply 100, you have to count the 0 there. Please refer all the slides that I have taught before. And then if divide, you need to move your decimal place to your left or to your right. Division.
Left.
Very good. Left. So can you all please calculate the answer for me? What is 92.53 divide 10? You need to
Teacher,
move
9.253.
again. Is this?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Y, we have 10. Since we only have 1 0 here, so dy we have to move 1 decimal place to your left. Understand or not, class? How to choose the correct answer? Very
Yes,
easy,
teacher.
right?
Yes, teacher.
Very easy, right? Okay, now this is about the triangle. General questions about the triangle. Which of the following statements is true? Means a triangle can have all the three angles equal to 60 degree. Is it true? Is it true? Alright, is it true or not?
No.
Why no? Because for triangle, teacher say the total angle is 180 degree, right? So one angle, one side of angle, it should be 60 degree. Understand? Okay, then number 2. A triangle can have all the three angles greater than 60 degree. It's true or false?
False.
False. Okay. The sum of any angles of a triangle is always greater than the third angle.
True.
True. How sure you are?
100%.
Huh? Hello. Okay, why not? Okay, let's say teacher have given two sides degree, means 15 plus 15. One side is 15, one side is 15. So total is 30. So balance you will have 150. How sure you are that the sum of two angles of triangle is always greater than the third angle? Who said?
Me, teacher. It's because 60 plus 60 equals to 120. And 120 is greater than 60.
No, that one if the three angles are equal angle, sorry, three angles are equal angles. Did I say it is equilateral triangle? No, it's a general triangle. Correct or not?
I have a question, teacher.
Hmm.
When do we have to finish this whole worksheet, teacher?
Huh?
Time is given until when teacher finish this whole worksheet.
Just only I show the Edmodo to you all. When is the due date? 18. 18 is when?
Another 4 days.
Hmm.
Okay. I was
Yes.
shocked. 28 pages to do in 1 day.
Yes. Okay, come to the question again. So we are, if teacher have mentioned here equilateral triangle, then the answer is yes. The statement is true. But this is a general triangle. It can be any degrees. Okay. The difference between the length of any two sides of a triangle is greater than the length of the third side. Is it true? Is it true? Think and circle the answer for me. Can? I don't want to give the answer for this. Next class, I'm going to ask. Okay, we move to the question number 8. This one, I don't want to give the answer yet. Huh? Think and give me the answer on Wednesday. So you can continue. Means teacher say one day you can do 10 questions, 15 questions, depends lah. But make sure Friday you complete all the 90 questions and submit to me. Understand? Okay, the last questions. What is the value of W in the equation here? 116. Okay, 116 minus W here, we won't know what is the amount for W. You will get 95. How to find the value of W? Who can tell to teacher? Very easy.
Teacher, I found out already.
What is the answer?
21.
21. Very good. Answer is 21. Very simple class. It's all direct questions. Our questions all are direct one. It's very easiest one. And then, but make sure the working is important. How did you get 21? You have to show the working on the paper. 116 you minus 95, you will get 21, and then you already get the 21, right? So try to calculate lah. 116 minus 21, you will get 95. Understand? Okay, now the last question for today's lesson. What is the standard form of 21.634?
C, teacher. C.
Any other answer other than C?
No.
Class.
No, teacher. Only C.
Yeah, C is the answer. 21.634. Understand or not? So for Wednesday, we will start from question number 10.